Hey guys, Rev here. So basically, me and Gabe came together on a call and came up with an idea to play the video game Mario & Luigi Superstar Saga, but make it multiplayer. And it was just the worst thing possible. Well, I even missed it. I missed it in slow motion. So here's this new series, Mario & Luigi, but multiplayer. Oh yay. Alright, at least I didn't fuck up this time. That's the only positive I could think of this. I'm not too terrible.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try myself some syrup. Yummy yum yum in my tum tum. Oh. Okay. So...
Dude, how many times have I had network issues? I've seen the network issue icon so many times.
Okay, let's try... Okay, let's just do it with, Well, I even missed it. I missed it in slow motion. Oh.
Dude, it's just the Jack typing.
It's funny though. I mean, it takes away from the silence when we're silent at times. I mean, they can at least listen to the typing.
I want to hear the audio to this because I sometimes realize how loud my gain is and how much you hear it.
Oh no, it's like so fucking loud. Like I don't like. Is your microphone that close to your fucking keyboard?
No, my microphone is like five times closer than my mouth. No,
I'm sorry.
You're already at 5 health.
No, I can survive. Yeah, I'm a survivor. Oh my god, Jack.
I'm just
Jack,
trying to.
Jack, I'm gonna like it's getting to the point where I'm gonna have to mute you, and I really don't want to go to that. It's so loud. Oh my god. Why do you only throw at you? Cool.
Dude, I can't time it. It's
Yeah.
fucking.
Oh. Okay. I can hear every vibration on the desk at the
Please, Jack. You know you can just go into Discord and turn your microphone down, right?
Okay.
You just do that
I'd be so quiet.
No, there's no way you'll be that quiet. It just decreases input. It will just decrease the input.
Okay, look, I just moved my microphone across the desk. Tell me if it's still that.
Alright, type. Oh my god! It doesn't change! It doesn't change! Okay, are you ready for a fucking bro attack? Oh my god.
Wait, hold up. Wait, no. Jack, try the fucking noise suppression thing.
Hold on,
Please, just try.
Just move the decibels, Jack!
I have to finish typing this.
Oh my god, there's no way! Oh my god, oh my god.
Jack, please just
Can you
turn
move
on
like
noise
your
suppression.
fucking keyboard to your lap or something? Oh my god! This is fucking insane! God damn it, I suck! Oh my god! Fucking this guy.
Don't even have to move.
This guy's an asshole. Alright, fucking one more time and I'm not gonna suck, I swear to god. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Oh my god. Literally, look at me. I suck so bad, dude.
Oh, no, it's
Gabe, don't waste your turn. Don't do it. Don't waste it. You have a future, Gabriel.
Okay, I finished typing my message. My other friend sent me some stuff though.
Oh my god, it's fucking the opposite. I can't fucking. How do you give it to someone?
You press B.
That's what I've been pressing, but it keeps going back.
Then you've been pressing A.
I haven't been pressing A.
A is left bumper on the keyboard controls.
Okay, wait, what did you want me to... What do you want me to do
Okay,
with?
in the voice options in Discord, you can change the input. You can decrease the input so it doesn't have a bunch of background noise. It only like detects what's in the front.
Jack,
I'm going.
Jack,
I'm going.
just-
I'm going.
Jack,
I'm
Jack,
going.
just-
Voice
just-
and video.
just-
Voice and video.
No,
Input
no, I'm
volume.
not talking about settings. I'm not talking about settings. In like where you are usually, in the bottom left, you can see noise suppression powered by Chris. Please, I swear to God, just turn it on.
Okay, wait, hold on. I want to try that first. Noise suppression powered by Chris.
What the fuck? He's gone.
I tested it. It's so loud. It's so loud.
I don't understand how that works. How does that work? How does it do that? I don't. Are you like? Do you have your microphone on? Are you listening to yourself through the microphone? How does that do that?
Oh my god, my mic sucks. It sounds
Like,
so...
are your headphones in like the fucking microphone port? What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna send you a picture. Like, my keyboard is like like a few inches from my microphone, and I stand like 4 feet away from it.
Oh my god, this is so fucking insane. It's so loud.
Alright, I'm gonna send you a picture.
Okay,
of
Gabe,
what
let's do this shit.
I'm sending you.
Oh my god, how? That doesn't even make sense. How do I always miss the first one? I swear I'm pressing the A button. I swear I'm doing it. We're not gonna get through this game if we cannot do a successful fucking bro attack.
Okay, here's my setup. The microphone.
Oh my god, dude.
What the fuck is that? Actually, what the fuck is that?
Jack, you're gonna have to like move like your fucking, just take your keyboard, move it to like the most front part of your fucking desk.
Okay, hold up. Let me just.
You know what, just take your microphone, put it on the goddamn floor. Just get it away.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna turn it down. I just turned my voice volume down to 50% less.
My God, Reef.
Wait. Let me turn you up.
Okay, how do?
Okay, I turned you up to 200.
Okay, wait, hold on, let's start
Oh
talking.
no, you sound great. Just turn, Gabe, just turn him up to 200. He sounds great.
What? Wait, hold on. Let me see something.
Oh my god! It doesn't change! It doesn't change! Oh my god! Oh my god! How? We have the same keyboard! There's no way it's that fucking loud!
Wait, turn down your microphone. I'm gonna be really loud.
Oh my god, I'm turning you down. I'm turning you back down. Holy
I'm sorry, I turned myself back up.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Hey, Gabe.
Yeah.
You want a bro attack? Alright.
Here, I'm actually gonna put my microphone like on. Wait, I can't. No, I'm sorry. The cord's too long.
No, it's okay. I fucked up the bro attack again.
No. Wait, I'm putting it on my. I'm putting the microphone on my.
You're on the same keyboard.
There's no way it's that fucking loud. I have a mechanical keyboard. It's not even that fucking loud. There has to be something wrong. Can you change like the level? Go into the sound control panel in fucking Microsoft, and you
hold on.
have to turn it down. There's no way it can't be fixed.
Okay, wait, hold on. I just took a picture. I moved my mic really far away. Look where it is now.
Okay, can you try typing?
This game is bullshitting me.
Oh. Okay, it's not as loud as it was before, but we can still hear it.
Well, how can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You just sound a little
Okay,
echoey.
guys,
Jack.
my gain is at like, it's really far. I think I just need to turn my gain down.
Maybe. Oh, this
Okay.
guy's gears is being grinded.
Okay, I'm gonna move my thing back and see if I can change the gain without my microphone, like my headphones, like screwing up. Let's see.
Mario
Uh-oh.
Green Stash.
Kind of sketchy.
Oh no. Bowser's
You
gonna die.
guys need to like make continuous noise.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Owls are just collections of cannon.
Okay, how much can you guys hear me? Guys?
I can hear you.
Okay. I think I can hear you both.
what's up, man?
Hello, Mario.
Hello, Mario.
Now just everything is so quiet because it's so stupid. The gain is also my headphone volume. They're connected.
But you can hear us, right?
Yeah, keep making noise.
Ah!
What the hell? What was that?
What?
All right.
Did you just make it a...
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. Let's see.
Me whenever I see bunny milkies.
Oh my god, that fucking video. I don't
Wait,
think
how
we've
did I-
actually ever, like,
Wait,
talked about Bunny Milkies on LaCroix Boys yet.
But if
Well,
you guys
I'm gonna-
talked about other videos.
I don't think we've even talked about how fucked up the recommended is. It's so bad. Oh, wait,
It's
go on.
4 people just shit posting.
And it's also, like,
God.
porn clips that are censored.
Okay, hold on. I haven't actually responded to my friend. It's been 10 minutes since he said something to me. I gotta respond. Hold up.
No! Okay, you gotta respond, man. This is the best response, because it's so quiet. You know what? I didn't mean to press that button. I'm gonna be real, Gabe. Ooh. Alright. Oh yeah, this is a
Okay.
Mario theme. You fiends. Oh, what the fuck? The military!
The military.
Oh, no, it's back. Just like as it should be.
Here it goes.
There is no mistake, you kidnapped Princess Peasley. Or no, Prince Peasley. We have witnessed new, now confessed villains. No, we're Italian. Lies, bald-faced lies, the superstar of the Mushroom Kingdom would never come here. They're not lying. Whoa! See, they're come here chasing someone called Cacaletta, and they're really, really tough. Yo, that guy's truthing. Oh dear, oh my, oh boy, pardon us, sirs, so sorry. See, our kingdom's Prince Peasley was kidnapped by something. Or so recent reports out of Who Village claim. We have been looking for any sign of the perpetrator. According to, oh my god, Jack, oh my god!
I turned my gain so far.
What are you
Jack,
typing
okay,
on? Are you
Jack,
typing on like
Jack.
Twitter or an Instagram group? Can you not type on your
Jack.
phone? What the fuck?
That's what I was gonna fucking say. Jack, can you not
Can you
type
switch to
anything
your
else?
laptop? I don't understand. It's so loud. I've never heard your keyboard be this loud. I don't know if you just haven't typed this much before, but it's so loud.
It might just be that I haven't typed this much before. I don't.
Jack, just talk on your phone. I don't.
Understand. I don't.
Okay, I'll switch to my keyboard after I finish typing what I'm typing right now.
Oh my. Oh, shit. Let's get the fucking money. Let's get this bread game.
Jesus. This is what a Mario Luigi Superstar Saga speed run. This is what a speed run is.
Yeah. Gabe, this is how you sound because you're playing on keyboard. Hey, Hoo Hoo Village. On the flanks of Hoo Hoo Mountain. The mountain is a safe place.
I can't hear myself think.
Everyone should climb. We'll drown it out with dialogue, alright? Hoo Hoo Mountain, once you can see the whole kingdom from the top. Oh man, I'm excited to see that game. Aren't you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to the top, man. We gotta see this shit, man. This shit is sick. Let's go into these people's houses, though. Oh, yo, this guy's cool. I saw this kingdom's Prince Peasley on the edge of the village. I'm sure of it. He was taken on the top of the mountain by some guy wearing a weird helmet. Yo, Gabe, I'm not gonna lie. I have a little crush. Right from Blob, not our
This little baddie.
She's
You
a
little-
baddie, though. Dude, look at the curves, though, dude. She's a baddie! Anyways, that's my joke.
Hey, who are you calling pin?
Wait, can we get up here? Okay, no. Alright. It was worth a try. Hey. No matter. Oh, Jack, he has a samurai helmet! Long you waited blonde.
That's
and
not
it.
it. It's not a samurai helmet.
That's how you saw someone who looked like Prince Beasley. Dude, no, that's a look. Don't mind that's flapping.
Yeah, it's flapping. That's what I was talking about. I think that's enough Mario and Luigi.
That's true.
Wait, but I'm literally getting on my laptop right now.
No, that's enough Mario and Luigi.
No,
See you later.
I think the viewers had enough. They just had enough in general. They just done. No more. Alright, guys. Bye!
Bruh.
Walkie Slush.